Welcome to ACCUDesign, the future of manufacturing, powered by ACCUAI. In today's world, innovation is everything. But turning a brilliant idea into a real product is a complex journey. The manufacturing industry is fragmented, making it hard to find the right supplier to bring your vision to life. Product designers and engineers waste countless hours searching for manufacturers, negotiating prices, and managing complex supply chains. On the other side, suppliers struggle to find consistent, profitable work that matches their capabilities. Introducing ACCUDesign, the revolutionary e-marketplace for rapid prototype development and mass production. We are powered by our proprietary AI engine. ACCU, your assistant in the manufacturing journey of sketch to scale. ACCUAI is the heart of our platform, streamlining the entire manufacturing process. Simply upload your CAD file, and ACCU gets to work. Our AI engine analyzes your design based on millions of data points to provide instant and accurate pricing, lead time options, and manufacturability feedback. No more waiting days for a quote. ACCU's intelligent matching algorithm connects your project with the ideal manufacturing partner from our vetted global network. Our AI understands each supplier's unique capabilities, ensuring your parts are produced cost-effectively on time and to the highest quality standards. With every transaction, ACCUAI learns and improves, optimizing the process for both our customers and our manufacturing partners. At ACCUDesign, we are building a resilient and efficient supply chain for the future. Join us and experience the power of AI-driven manufacturing. ACCUDesign engineering the future. Together,